frame is completely compromised by the rust here.
Confirmed. I'm noting severe corrosion in the engine bay as well.
As we move underneath the Tahoe, the extent of the corrosion becomes clear. The frame rails are heavily oxidized.
Make sure that connection is solid. It is, thumbs up. All right, hit the winch. Slow and steady.
Fuel line is off and labeled. Hand me the pry bar for this harness. The O2 sensor is loose. I'll take the coolant hose next. Look at the pitting here on the cross member.
Yeah, we'll definitely need to replace that section entirely. Mark it down as severe.
Almost through this section.
Okay, let me see the mounting points. The corrosion goes deep. How is the alignment on this side?
It looks perfect. The curvature matches the factory specifications.
Okay, I am starting the weld now.
All parameters are within tolerance.
Excellent work. The structural integrity is fully restored.
Torque checks out here.
Alignment is confirmed green across the grid.
Looks solid, ready for sign off. Panel gaps are perfect. Run out on the rear quarter is within tolerance. Confirmed. All specs match the schematic. Everything checks out against the blueprint. The finish on these shocks is perfect. Agreed. I'll clear the final checklist items now. Perfect. Let's move the center console over to the main rack.
We'll secure the taillights first, then the chrome trim along the side. Sounds good. Everything is laid out in order now.
Looks like everything is here for the Tahoe reassembly.
Inventory complete, ready for installation.
Easy now, just a little to the left. Copy that, watching the manifold clearance.
All modules online.
System integrity verified. Looks good.